Kanaya, and my topic is Gestalt Psychologist. Gestalt Psychologist is a learning theory that focuses on how people perceive and understand information as a whole rather than separate parts. It's originated in Germany and was developed by psychologists such as Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Kohler, and Kurt Kafka. The word Gestalt means wall or patterns. This theory emphasized that learning happens when learners recognize relationship patterns and meaningful instruction in what they see or experience. Gestalt principles. First is law of proximity. Elements that are closer together will be preserved as a coherent object. On the left, there appears to be three columns, while on the right, there appears to be horizontal rows. Objects that are close to each other are perceived as a group. Example, students see numbers written close together as a one group when learning addition. Second, law of similarity. Elements that look similar will be preserved as part of the same form. 3 seems to be a triangle in the square. We link similar elements together. Items that look alike are grouped together. Example, pupils group shape of the same color or size during a math activity. Third, law of closure. We tend to fill the gaps or close the figure we preserve. We enclose space by completing a contour and ignoring gaps in the group in figure. The mind feels missing part to see a complete figure. Example, children can identify a circle even if part of it is missing. Fourth, law of good continuations. Individuals are tendency to continuing contour whenever the elements of the patterns establish and applied directions. People tend to draw a good continuous line. The law of continuation states that people tend to see lines, pattern, or shape as continuing smoothly, even they interrupt or cross by other objects. Example, when children see a curved road drawing that is partly curved by a tree, they still believe the road's continues behind the tree. Fifth is a law of good fragments. The stimulus will be organized as a good figure as possible. In this example, good refers to symmetry, simplicity, and regularity. The figure preserved as a square overlapping a triangle, not a combination of several complicated shapes. Say that people tend to see objects in the simplest, most organized, and easiest way. Example, a circle with a small gaps is still seen as a complete circle. And last, law of figure or ground. We tend to pay attention and preserve the things in the foreground first. A stimulus will be preserved as a separate from its ground. How people separate what they are focusing on figure from the background ground. Example, when reading, children focus on the letters figure and ignore the paper ground. Insight learning. Learning happens after understanding the relationship